Today, I'm just taking you with me as I spend my weekend. It's been 2 weeks since the conflict started. Ever since that day, our schedule has been all over the place. Minsan, twice a week ang pasok, minsan weekdays lang. So this is the time that I have a weekend off. For me, weekend off ay sobrang rare. Kaya I make time to go to the church.
Evening and God bless you.
May you have a blessed evening. God bless you.
Minsan lang ako makapagsimba ng linggo talaga. As much as possible, I try to keep up sa mga araw na hindi ako nakakapagsimba. Especially now that I have time. As you can see kanina, nag-train ako papunta ng St. Mary's Church. 1 station away lang naman yun from Burjuman. Pero now, dahil hindi naman na tayo nagmamadali, maglalakad lang ako pa uwi. This is the perfect time para makapag-isip-isip habang naglalakad and para mahit ko rin yung 10k steps ko. It will take less than 30 minutes lang naman kapag naglakad ka from St. Mary's Church going to Burjuman. 2 kilometers lang naman siya. So, advisable na maglakad na lang pa uwi. At sa dami ng tao na nagme-metro at nagbabus. And the weather is really nice as of the moment. We know life lately here in UAE feels like a mix of chaos, panic, and uncertainty. Not everything makes sense, but I'm still choosing to be positive. And hey, hindi tayo pinalaki ng sex bomb para bumawi. Laban lang! Get, ow! To cope up with everything happening around me, I try to stay busy. And now, I decided to go to the frame here in Zibil Park para magpa-araw, tumambay, at mag-lunch. As much as possible, pag lalabas ako, ayoko masyadong gumastos. Kaya nagbabaon na lang ako. And dahil neighborhood ko lang naman ang the frame, I am only going to walk. Papunta at pabalik. 4.3 kilometers lang naman siya. It will take less than 40 minutes. And kung magme-metro, 2 stations away. So better to walk so that I can also hit my 10k steps a day. From Burjuman, maglalakad lang ako papunta ng Al Karama Center. 3 parking lots ang binaybay ko. Dire-diretso papuntang Emirat Petrol Station. Then, I'll take the overbridge to Zibil Park. Tamang sightseeing muna. 5 dirhams ang entrance ticket.
We have arrived.
I don't want to just sit in my room and feel anxious. I go out in the sun. Tambay lang habang nagpapaaraw. Plus the view, the grass, laying down, earthing, enjoying the day, the rest of the day. Marami pa rin dapat ipagpasalamat. Kahit na ganito yung sitwasyon. Living far from home means embracing uncertainty every day. And I still believe better days are coming. Kaya laban lang.